Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw crypto from NDAX. So guys, after logging your account here on the desktop, click login option. After that, select your wallet, guys. Select your wallet on the side toolbar, select wallet, and after that, guys, select your crypto you want to withdraw. As you can see here, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin. And after that, guys, what you have to do, click send button on the screen. You find button send from here, wallet. And after that, guys, select network you want to use and enter wallet address and amount like to send. After that, you have XRP. If you have EOS, if you have lands, you can withdraw and enter our destination tag. The same steps, guys, with the mobile web version. Just follow the steps, login your account and select your wallet and select your crypto you want to withdraw from your wallet. After that, guys, click amount and enter your FA code and agree and the disclaimer and select send. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like and share this video.